Earth's solar system. What is the solar system? The solar system is made up of the sun at the center and everything that orbits around it. Let's take a closer look at what makes up our solar system. The sun at the center of our solar system is an average-sized star that formed about 5 billion years ago. Gravity holds the solar system together and keeps things from floating off into space. The major objects that orbit our sun include the planets and their moons. We can sometimes see some of the planets in the night sky because they reflect the sun's light. There are 8 major planets that were formed billions of years ago. The closest planet to the sun is Mercury, the smallest of the 8 planets. Even though it is close to the sun, Mercury has very cold nights and very hot days. The second planet from the sun is Venus, which is always very hot. Venus is known as the morning star because it is the last bright, non-twinkling light before the sun rises, and the evening star since it's the first bright light after the sun sets. Venus has more volcanoes than any other planet in our solar system, more than 1,600 volcanoes, though most are inactive. The third planet is Earth, with its rotating moon. 70% of the Earth's surface is water. Our thin layer of atmosphere is special because it makes Earth the only planet where plants and animals can live and breathe. Mars, the red planet, is the fourth planet from the sun. It is about half the size of Earth with a rocky, rusty red surface and polar ice caps. Mars has the biggest canyon and Olympus Mons, the largest and tallest volcano in our solar system. The fifth planet is the largest, named Jupiter. Because Jupiter spins so fast, one day is only 10 hours long. Jupiter has more than 63 different-sized moons. Its active volcanoes emit sulfur gas, giving Jupiter its yellow color. Since Jupiter spins quickly, the clouds appear striped with one area of red swirling clouds forming the Great Red Spot that is more than 24,800 miles. That's 39,912 kilometers across. That is 3 times the size of the Earth. Did you know that all the gas planets have rings? Saturn, the 6th planet, has rings made of rock and ice pieces of different sizes that were discovered in 1655 by Christian Huygens. The 7th planet is Uranus. Its rings go the opposite way of Saturn's, from top to bottom, and they are hard to see. Uranus spins on its side, which makes scientists think it was once hit by something big. Uranus is a huge blue-green ball made of different gases with a core of ice and rock. William Herschel discovered Uranus on March 13, 1781. Neptune, the 8th and windiest planet in our solar system, was discovered in 1846. It takes 165 years to revolve around the sun. Neptune's blue color comes from the gas and methane in its atmosphere. Next in our solar system, we have the dwarf planets like Pluto, Eris, and Ceres. Ceres is in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids are large lumps of ice, rock, or metal moving around the sun. If an asteroid gets too close to a planet, that planet's gravity can cause the asteroid to orbit the planet as a moon. Comets are made of chunks of dust, ice, and pieces of rock. As a comet moves, it is surrounded by gases and dust that stretch away from it. This forms a tail that can stretch for millions of miles, as well as change its length and direction. In summary, Our solar system is made up of the Sun at the center with 8 major planets and their moons in orbit. There is an asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids are chunks of ice, rock, or metal moving around the Sun. Comets are chunks of dust, ice, or pieces of rock with gases and dust forming a tail that can change in length and direction.